Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. And today, guess where are we? We are at Four Chopsticks at Chapel Road, alright? And their cuisine is Chinese. So today we're gonna have garma garam Chinese. So for starters, we have Zebu Chicken and Prawn Butter garlic, which is their famous trending item right now. And in the mains, we have pan-fried noodles, which comes with the gravy. And this is island rice, and it looks like an island. Yum yum. Alright, I would like to start with the prawns. Gravy is pretty thick, well fried. Alright, and the topping is pretty creamy. Well, I wanted to have it at a bite, but the prawn is pretty enormous, so I'm just gonna break it. Cheers. The sauce is melt in mouth. Not that spicy. It's having that buttery taste for sure, but not very. It's not spicy at all. It's pretty bland. The garlicky flavor is pretty prominent. Every bite that you take, you will get that garlicky taste, which adds a little heat to the food. Other than that, it really blends very well with the creamy sauce that they have. It's a yummy dish to try. So whenever you pass by, definitely ask for their prawn butter garlic. But now let's go ahead to the second starter. This is Zebu Chicken. This was recommended by the owner. Now let's give it a taste test. This is amazing. Slight hint of chili, soya base. The vegetables are adding a crunch. The chicken is very moist, very moist. The exterior is interesting. It's not that chewy, but has a very thin coating of the batter. And trust me, again, you can't stop at one. And this is hot. This is really spicy, and I really like it. Spice is what I like. The spice level, it's like when you eat it now, at the start you don't feel the spice, but as you bite in, every bite will give you the kick of that spice, which I really love. I mean, I'm already sweating with it. Amazing. Very, very tasty. Yum. Now let's go for the mains. All the dishes have amazing presentation. This is their island rice. The rice has, the burnt garlic fragrance very prominently coming in. So if you just want to have the rice, you can still have it. The base is not that spicy till now. The rice is accentuating the chicken gravy taste to another level. When you eat the rice and the chicken together, they complement each other very gracefully. Very nice. The chicken is very moist and tender. You don't need to even bite it. It just melts in your mouth. It's that nice. And the garlic and the rice, it's an amazing combo. I really loved it. I mean, I can't explain it further. It's really amazing. I can't stop my hand so you can gauge yourself how good it is. Yeah. Thank you. And just try this. Tasting time without wasting much time. Cheers. It's an enormous bite, but I'll try to have it. The noodles are well fried, so you can actually feel the crunch of the noodle, slight crunch, not like heavily fried. Then the base is again soya base, but the base is really spicy, so it's complementing well with the plant noodle. And also you're getting a hint of pepper. So not a hint, but it's heavily made in pepper. They're a little messy because the noodles are pan fried, but other than that, it's really nice. Loaded with chicken, good amount of capsicum and French beans in there, I can see. If you want me to, if you ask me personally, I loved their rice because rice was like I could just quickly put it in my mouth. I really loved it. So my personal favorite for today would be the island rice. It's an amazing dish to try. And if you come across any time to try over here, do leave a comment on your experience. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe. Till then, Bella ciao.